Everyone, in today's video, I will be answering the query of how to save view one's photos on WhatsApp. So the short answer is that you can't because of what you want to say. The WhatsApp's encryption and user-friendly, basically privacy policy that they don't easily or they don't give you the option to simply view sent once pictures by another user to another user again and again to keep their privacy. So yeah, you can't view them again unless like Instagram, on which if the user sends on the option of allow a replay, you can view it again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. So once again, I will be telling you the short answer is that you cannot view us basically view once photo again on WhatsApp. So yeah, thanks for watching.